you have to understand how the world works. Your 9 to 5 job isn't stable. Your money is going down, right? Your value of your money is going down. And they keep you in the 9 to 5 job by saying, yeah, we're going to increase your wage, or maybe if you get a better job, you get a better salary, you'll be comfortable. Guys, ask anyone working a 9 to 5 job, right? Is life stable? And most of them will say no, right? I know their situation in the UK. Most people, right, they can barely afford to survive. Just deep that for a second. They can barely afford to survive, right? This is why a 9 to 5 job is unstable. Not only that, right? If you want to make more money, how can you make more money? Maybe you can do overtime, right? But again, guys, how much overtime can you do? There's only so much time that you have. There's only so much overtime that they probably have available. Even if you work more, even if you spend every living second working a job, you're not going to make enough money. You're not going to make enough money to survive. This is my point, right? This is why I say a 9 to 5 job is unstable, because you cannot survive. A 9 to 5 job is going to keep you broke. A 9 to 5 job is going to keep you stuck in a system where you can't work for yourself, you don't have freedom, you have to do what the boss tells you to do, and you have to go where the boss tells you to go. You have to work when the boss tells you to work. You can only go home when the boss tells you to. Guys, what kind of life is that, right? You want to start an online business, because an online business, right, gives you freedom, gives you the ability to live where you want, right? Allows you to work for yourself. You don't have a boss. You do what you want to do, and you can literally live the life you want, right? You can live wherever it is that you want. I live in Dubai, right? But if tomorrow I wanted to move to Qatar, maybe I could do that. If I wanted to move to Saudi Arabia, I can do that. If I wanted to move to the US, I can do that. If I wanted to move back to the UK, which I would never do, I would do that, right? The point I'm trying to make is that I have the freedom. I get to decide what I want. Hey guys, if you need any help where I'll work with you on a one-to-one basis and scale you to 10K a month, click the link in the description where it says work with me, book in a call with me, and what we'll do is jump on a call and I'll see exactly how I can actually help you.